All right, so the back end of the CSA, a lot of our printouts and spreadsheets come out of our Farmigo online software. We're translating a lot of that into our own spreadsheets to fit in with other harvest and packing lists for the week. But the whiteboard in the pack shed is also a really important part of our daily CSA routine because it's a way for our team to all work together and be able to see what we need of different products to execute the CSA. We found when we were relying too much on the printouts, which we need to generate this information, we were losing papers, or only one person could hold the paper at a time, and it was really slowing down our efficiency. So we transferred the critical information every day to the whiteboard. So this is our list of CSA items for today's pack. We're packing about 100 CSA shares today, and you see there's some items that were heavily in the box this week. These are our default items that members have in their box unless they choose to take them out. So we'll move through a lot of cauliflower today, a lot of cucumbers. Most shares are going to get those items, lettuce, but then we also have items that are available in customization if people choose to add them. So those are always in smaller quantities. So like this week, only 5 people chose to add kohlrabi to their box. We had 3 people choose garlic scapes, 2 people choose thyme. So this is a visual, and it's also laid out in the order in which the product gets put on the table. So when we're pulling product out of the cooler to set up for CSA, everybody is looking at the same map of how to put things out for the CSA. And then this list, because it's a pretty complete list of everything we have on the farm, just becomes the farmers market list as well on Fridays when we're also packing for farmers market. We go back and just say how much of each item we're also sending to the farmers market.